But if you close your eyes,
guess where we are at. We just got to Camp Dearborn again, and like in under a week we came here twice. It is pretty hot though. Oh my god, there's a lot of freaking people, man. Let's go. Holy smokes.
Now I have 15. No.
Guess who we found it? Come here.
Finally.
Oh, it's too freaking hot, man.
It is.
Say hi. What's up? Everybody misses you. Everybody misses you. Where you going? You wanna do that prank? Where we put seagull food, or just put food for the seagulls, and the seagulls are gonna start coming to everybody. What's up, Ahmed?
I think
Yeah, right? He just came from New York. I don't know if he wants to be in the vlog or not. It is beautiful. We just finished swimming. We're gonna play soccer for a little bit. Coming to the beach is an amazing thing, but once you do it for too long, it gets boring. Any comments? He agrees, right? Yeah, once you do it for too long, it just gets boring, especially when you play soccer and you lose. That was a goal. That was a goal. Oh, my bad. I said we just got here. We're about to go get some lunch, and guess who we found? What's up, Woody? What's up?
How about me?
You're already in the vlog. We're about to go get some. We're about to go get something to eat because we're hungry. Oh my god, that Subway was good. Subway is one of my favorite places to get food from. Abdurrahman just came up with some pizza. Abdurrahman, thank you for the pizza. What are those? Gibiri was starving before I came up. Thank you for the pizza.
You're welcome.
Let's get here some volleyball. Oh, I told you to eat Subway, man. Holy smokes. Huh? Bro, I'm done. These guys are good at football. I'm just tired as hell. It's first time playing football, but not first time, but it's so tiring. I had to take a break. We just got done swimming. It was such an awesome day. We played volleyball, tennis. Well, we played volleyball, tips. Just anything you can play in. Oh, where's the ball? I remember that we actually got a ball from someone. We asked him to play with it, but then we looked for him all over the park, like the beach. We couldn't find him. So I guess we got ourselves a ball. Until next time we see him, I am gonna look for him and try to give it back to him because I don't like holding anybody's stuff back. And if Sam, if you're laughing, if you're looking at this, don't laugh, okay? But this is our goodbyes to Camp Dearborn until Wednesday. That's after tomorrow. I just got home and guess who I seen? Hi, Lucy. Boy, you're too cute. Stop being cute. I said stop being cute. What are you doing? Come here, give me a kiss. You're too cute, Ali. Ali, stop being cute. Here is his sister. Actually, I just woke her up. Hi, Lalua. I can't make her laugh. I can't seem to make her laugh. Let me try. She's actually laughing. Is she laughing or what? I don't know. Ali, come here. Come here. Stop running away from me. I love you. No, I love you. Why are you eating a banana when I'm recording? Or why am I recording when you're eating banana? Ali, you want to end the vlog with me? Yeah, let's go. Well, thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.
I hope that's not the thumbs up yet. Not yet. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.
I hope you guys enjoyed.
Have you guys enjoyed
this video? If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up.
Smile.
No, if you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you disliked it, go ahead and give it a dislike.
Like this?
Yeah. I'm sure none of you guys have been doing this, so thank you so much for all the support. Thank you for all the positive support. Thank you for all the comments. Say it. My hand hurts. Hurry up. Thank you for all the comments. I guess it's gonna be in the time. Thank you for all the comments, guys. I really appreciate everybody that comments, everybody that likes, and everybody that watches. I do appreciate every comment, every like, and every watch or every view that we get. Guys, my channel keeps going up and it's increasing and everything is just getting better and better. I talked to my dad on the phone today and he was so serious about it. It's like he's only gonna give me these 3 months, so if I can't reach what I want in 3 months, so if you guys can start sharing the videos and just trying to spread the word of Semoxvids is trying to make it, and Semoxvids will make it no matter what. But let's try to do it a little quicker. You know what I'm saying? But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And my dad is over here. That was my dad. But thank you guys for watching again. I really appreciate all the support. I know I keep saying this, but you guys don't understand how much it really means to me. But sooner or later, we will be.
Hello?
Hello, Ali.
Hello?
Hi, Ali.
What's up, man?
How are you, man?
Not good, man. Not good.
What's wrong?
Nothing, man. We just played a tournament, lost both of the matches. Close, the matches was really close. We could have won, but I don't know, man.
Ali, I'm
We
feeling.
deserve bad luck.
Ali, I'm feeling down, man.
Okay, Sammy, let me tell you something. You're the worst actor, okay?
I'm actually vlogging this.
I know. You're trying to prank me.
I swear to God. Okay, Ali.
You said I'm feeling down.
I said, Ali, I swear to God, I'm not trying to prank you or anything. How did my legs call him? Huh?
What happened?
I don't know, man. We went to the beach today, and like I just feel so, just like my whole body is just burnt. I don't know what to tell him.
Sunburn?
Yeah, I don't know what to tell him. How the hell did I call him?
That's why you're feeling down?
Well, you always motivate me. You always put me up, so I thought I'd call you.
Okay.
How's things been with you, though?
Bro, we never had a talk like that. I mean, is this a prank? I know this is a prank.
I swear it's not a prank, bro. I was vlogging and somehow I called you, but then I just wanted to talk to you. How are you, though?
I'm good. So you were feeling down because you had a sunburn?
I was feeling down because I had a Hold on, Ali, okay? My bad. I had to talk to my little sister. But how you been, man?
I just said not good.
It's okay, man. Things are gonna get better.
What's wrong? Seriously, is there anything wrong?
Not really. I mean, I'm just calling to check up on you.
Oh, very nice of you, Sammy. Thank you, Habibi.
Thank you, Habibi. Yalla, okay. I'll talk to you sometime, okay?
Okay, bro.
Yalla, take care.
Okay, you too.
I swear to God, I did not mean to call him. Look, my phone is right there, and somehow I don't know. I don't know how that happened. What the heck was I typing to? That was just so random and so rare. I remember talking to you guys about the thing that Aya gave me and her brother when I was in Ohio, because I didn't have the papers, but here they are. This is one of them. This is from Ayat, and this is from her brother Rafid, and that's my sister's. My little, the one that she gave me. But again, thank you guys for all the support. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the longest outro. It's been 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna leave it at that. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. Thank you. Remember, guys, always keep smiling and never give up. Success is coming. Keep smiling.